Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I clean the hood of a cooker. As you can see, it's a little bit on the greasy side. I'm sure if I show you like that. Yeah, so it needs a really good clean. So the products I'm going to be using are my favorite elbow grease, my Mint K scrubbing thing, and I'm also going to be using some Sif. So these are the three products that I'm going to be using mainly. Microfiber cloth. So as you can see, it's really kind of greasy. I could literally, I don't know if, well, you can't really see. Begin with my elbow grease, and if you're not new to this channel, you definitely know this is my favorite product to use. As you can see, the magic is beginning to work, and if you can look closely, you'll see everything's literally starting to dissolve. Look at that. This is why I think this is like the best product ever for absolutely anything in the kitchen, especially if it involves grease or anything like that. This is why I absolutely love elbow grease, because literally can see all the grease coming off. Kind of disgusting really, but yeah. And I think it's kind of satisfying. Because I'm kind of short of time, I'm just gonna basically just get on with it really. That. As you can see, like all the dirt is literally melted off. Look at that. This is all just grease and dust. So it's all literally come off. Just using the elbow grease spray. Make sure to do all sides. So I'm just gonna quickly rinse this off and then do the other side. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm just gonna continue grab my elbow grease. Okay, I'm just going to go to the other side. Look at that. Okay, so that's both sides done. So I'm basically going to rinse everything off now. I'll be back in a second. Okay, now back with my clean. Back again with the elbow grease. Just to make sure that all the grease is literally removed off. I prefer to rinse all the product off from my sponges because you don't want to mix chemicals. It's not advised to mix chemicals for obvious reasons. So just going to quickly back into this. But if you zoom in, look at that, still coming off. This is why I love elbow grease so much. You don't have to scrub so hard, you don't have to do too much work. It literally does everything for you. And then you just wipe the excess off on this side of the Mint K. And then that's it really. I'm gonna rinse it off. later on. But I just thought I'll give it a quick rinse. This is what it looks like so far. Okay, so now I'm gonna get in with my Sif, the Sif cream. This is the limited edition Spring Blossom. And I'm gonna use my microfiber cloth just to get everything else off, any excess grease. So I just basically pour some on like this. Oh, actually this smells really nice actually. Yeah, and just buffer all around it like so. Oh, this smells gorgeous. Absolutely lovely actually. Oh, wish you could smell it. Got this from Home Bargains, but I've seen it as well in Morrison's and Asda, so yeah. Oh, it smells really lovely. Like, it smells really concentrated, so it's not for everybody, but it actually smells really nice. So yeah, again, pour some. Do everywhere else. So I'm just gonna go with the. Sorry. This is just the top. Oh, this smells really like, I don't know how to describe it. It smells like strawberries, but I could be wrong. Yeah, just really go into that, into all the corners of this. Top. Look at that. Still a bit of grease that was picked up. Not so bad, but compared to what it was before, and it smells fab. Oh gosh, it smells wonderful. I'm not really strong on fragrances in terms of cleaning products, but this is actually really smells nice. I'm gonna rinse this. All right, so I'm back now with my wet microfiber cloth. I've rinsed off the Sif, I've rinsed off the product because we don't want to mix products. And I'm just gonna wipe off all the excess product that could be left on here. Final wipe, all areas. So on both sides. There you go. Don't forget the little buttons here. And then to buffer, I get my paper towel and remove all the excess water, any excess product that would have been left behind. Like that. And that. There you go. So that's me done. It didn't take that long to do this, maybe like 10-15 minutes. Actually, it took me about 10 minutes to get this done. But it looks brand new. All the dust has come off, all the grease has come off. There's literally nothing on my hand, and on the paper towel everything's literally come off.